The Monkey and the Crocodile. Once upon a time, there lived a monkey on an apple tree. The apples were bright colors and juicy. One day, a crocodile came to the tree and asked to the monkey for some apple. The monkey was glad to help. He even gave to the crocodile some apple to take him home for his wife. When his wife tasted the apple, she grew pressed to taste the monkey's heart. She convinced her husband to get the monkey heart for her, or else he would die. The crocodile was in the dilemma, but finally agreed. The next day, when he went to the shore, he invited the monkey to his home. The monkey gladly accepted. He sat on the crocodile back and they started a journey. When they reached the middle of the water, crocodile started sinking low and told the monkey of his plan. The monkey did not lose his presence of mind and said that he had left his heart on the tree and that the crocodile would to take him back. The foolish crocodile told him back to the shore. At once the monkey leapt on the tree and told the crocodile that he was the biggest fool on the planet and the monkey had made a mistake in trusting him. Moral: quick thinking and intelligence can be physical strength.